Exercise should be a positive and fun part of life. It's a scientific fact that exercising regularly will improve a person's overall health and well-being. Besides its use for weight loss, exercise can improve heart health and the blood system, while also increasing athletic ability. All these improvements are the results of many physical changes that occur within the body. For example, over time, the body's efficiency to use and channel blood improves, which in turn helps capillaries respond faster to the requirements of muscles. That's why exercise, especially aerobic exercise, helps the heart become better at dealing with exertion. Total body strength and muscle size will also be improved, especially after resistance training. Furthermore, resistance training has been shown to strengthen bones by resulting in higher bone mineral density. It increases the rate at which minerals such as calcium are deposited in the bones. This is especially important for older adults that are at higher risk of bone fractures and falls. Because of the various benefits of physical exercise and the resulting changes in the body, as a fitness coach, you need to understand the body's basic anatomy and how it responds to the stress of exercise. The main systems of the body each have their own roles during exercise, and they work together to respond to it. All these factors should be taken into consideration when designing a workout for your client.